The spare tire in 2021 2023 Hyundai Elantra models is located under the trunk floor. Lift the trunk floor mat to find it. It's secured by a plastic cover and a wing nut or bolt. Use the lug wrench to loosen the wing nut counterclockwise. The spare tire then lowers via a cable mechanism. Pull it down fully and detach it. The jack and tools are typically in a pouch under the trunk floor alongside the spare tire. The jack is compact and fits into designated points under the vehicle frame. Refer to the jack point diagram on the driver's side door jamb or trunk lid. First, park your Hyundai Elantra on a flat, stable surface away from traffic. Engage the parking brake and ensure the vehicle is secure. Next, open the trunk and remove the spare tire and tools. The spare tire is stored under the trunk floor. Using the lug wrench, loosen the lug nuts on the flat tire by turning them counterclockwise, but do not remove them completely at this stage. Position the jack under the correct jack point, which is near the flat tire's axle. Slowly raise the vehicle until the tire clears the ground. Now, fully remove the lug nuts and take off the flat tire. Mount the spare tire onto the wheel studs. Tighten the lug nuts snugly in a star pattern, then lower the vehicle. Once the vehicle is back on the ground, fully tighten the lug nuts, using 80 to 90 foot-pounds of torque if possible. Then stow all tools back in the trunk.